If you ever get hungry during the middle of the day, you just gotta learn one thing. Just pack a lunch. It's for your health. That's what we do here at Andrew Carlson's racing facility. Look at him, he's packing real lunch. For your health. There's Lance. See him in the background? We got a bike race on our hands in my front yard. Should I go build him a jump? That'd be sweet. Wow, we got a full-on race. They're full tuck. Go Lance! You got it! Go Lance! See if anyone wants a pull. Maybe catch up on some competition. Just a joke, but I think they might take this pretty serious. Want a pull? I'll give you a pull.
That would be cheating.
But I can't give you a pull. I'll give you one. Sure, we can really make up some ground. Good. You want a pull? It's kind of dumb. No one really took it serious. I would have helped. I would have let him. I even got a rope. I mean, I didn't just do that for fun. That's the real deal. But this will help because you'll get all your roosts like wood and then just.
Do you want to keep going?
Yeah. But I just was showing you. In case you want to look at this. All these faces have clay on them. Coolest part is for all you kids watching that are in like middle school, before you go and date someone, make sure that they would be okay with you putting a track in your front yard. I built this track and I came home and I'm like, Courtney, what do you think? She's like, it's cool. And I was expecting her to be like, no, it's all right, but she's not as sweet, which is, I feel like that's like wife goals or something. These are the HDX shovels. They're the ones Buttery recommends you buy.
Okay.
I did snap one in half though.
How'd you do that? You just that strong?
Right after I saw that he recommended one. Oh man, I was burying my wife's cat. It died.
Oh no.
And I broke the shovel. You know how in Elk River they like, you have to have a permit for a track?
Yeah.
We're not in Elk River.
Yeah.
There's the signs right there. We'll just build the track, Owen. You can ride it.
Here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. He's going. Looking good. What do you think, Zach? Looking clean? Let him get after it. Go, go, Andrew! Get squirrely. Here he goes. Woo! Going wide.
Okay, arm pump.
Look at Squirrely Owen.
Slight water problem. You think you could do this on the ground?
No, I think I could do it on my Zuma.
Look at him. Yo, what are you doing? Oh, I don't even need to do it. He's got it. It's on the road. Hey, welcome to my vlog.
What are you doing?
It's mud and fixing it. It got all muddy. Built a nice track, and then we had our second ever time we get rained out in the vlog. I was gonna say first, but then I thought of the jet skis, and that was definitely a rain out. We had a swimming pool here yesterday, and of course Owen's the first one to put a helmet on and quit working when everyone else is shoveling. You want me to just shovel and work while you ride?
What? It's pretty much done.
Okay, but almost. Pack it in with my races. These are races, muck boots. Race, I borrowed your muck boots. Dude, what do you think? That's more fun today.
Is it dialed?
Yeah, it's sick. There's like medium boy and then there's neutral boy. You think you could beat medium boy in a race?
Yeah.
You think you could?
Yeah.
Pit bikes or big bikes?
Both.
Oh, this is a call out. We're gonna fly him up here and have him take you on.
Alright.
You better back it up.
About it. Tell me what's going on here. Look, you got Owen over there. You got.
I had a spot in my front yard that wasn't grass. I don't have room in my backyard for a track. The only problem is our front porch swing, you can't see the track. So I told her we'll have to move the swing.
We're gonna what?
We're packing down the ruts
You're a rut.
so we don't have to shovel. See how it flattens them?
Pack a lunch.
Packing lunch over here.
Do you ever pack a lunch?
Yeah, we're packing
Or do you
lunch.
only pack ruts? Does your mom pack your lunch?
My mom packs me a lunch once in a while if I'm good. If I'm nice to her, which I am every day.
My kid's mom packs me a lunch.
Your kid's mom packs you a
My
lunch.
child, Dallas, his mom, which is my wife.
What does she pack you?
Beans and some type of meat, or veggies and meat.
Beans. Do you get a lot of extra gas?
No, none. It's less gas.
Oh, green beans.
Green beans or cauliflower.
Do you pick them out of the bean field here?
Yeah, that's why there's a track here, because I've eaten this many beans so far.
Dude, that's like 2 acres.
Yeah, I ate 2 acres of beans in about a couple months.
That's why you're so healthy.
You'd think it would show better, but
Is that why you're turning green?
that's funny. If you ever get hungry during the middle of the day, you just gotta learn one thing. Just pack a lunch. It's for your health.
That's what we do here at Andrew Carlson's racing facility. Look at him, he's packing real lunch.
For your health. Nobody knows.
Bye.
Want me to be in a biker gang?
How was that ride in?
That's sick. I got some bugs in my
Are you
teeth.
part of the team, the gang over there now?
I started the gang.
Is this the gang right here?
We actually all started out on Groms and then they got Harleys afterwards. It's beans! Ready, go!
Go!
Ready, go!
Go!
You want to see my videos? Make sure you comment what you want to see, subscribe, turn on notifications, and smash the like button. Can you? Yeah, you can. Just click on it. You don't have to smash it. Just click it. Just click on it. Don't right click, left click. And then, yeah, tell your buddies, and hopefully these videos only get better. He's gonna be like, you didn't get hurt, did you? You didn't get hurt when you did that.